you're a YouTuber, you want to film more, you want to upload consistently, and you want to grow your channel. But no matter how much you plan, days just seem to go by and you just don't seem to have the time. And we're going to fix that today. I'm Tracy, and I'm going to show you how to make more time. Seriously, most think they need more time, but it's really about finding the time you have. And once we figure out where your time has gone or is going, you'll be blown away about how much time you have. Right now, you can do some quick wins where you do some basic YouTube time savers. Batch everything, filming, editing, create templates, descriptions, thumbnails, title formulas, content planning, content scheduling. Those are all quick wins that you can do right now. But if you really want to make time, we need to dive in a little deeper. And that's where the next step comes in. We're going to start off with a 10-day time audit. Yes, 10 days. We're going to audit your time, all of it. And it's really simple. We need 10 days because then we can see patterns form. Or if we just do it for a couple of days, you probably won't see those patterns form. And at the end of our 10 days, we're going to have a time receipt. We're going to see how we traded our time. And it's fine. Don't get freaked out. Don't start thinking, oh my goodness, this is terrible. I'm going to see that someone's going to see that I spend 6 hours a day on Netflix. It's all good. You're the only one that's going to look at this. And don't be so hard on yourself. Don't judge yourself. We just want to see where our time is, because it is the most valuable resource we have. Time. It really is. Take it from someone my age. Time is your most valuable resource. So how do we do this 10-day audit? Super simple. We're going to set a timer, and every 2 hours, when the timer goes off, we're going to write down what we just did for the last 2 hours. That's it. We're just going to do this all day long, right to the end of the day. And then the next day, we're going to do it again. And that really is it. And the main goal of when we document how we spend our time is we really start to see our one-of activities. You know, someone says, oh, can you drive me here? Or our recurring activities, those things that we do all the time, because those are the ones we want to really zero in on, because those are the ones that take up a lot more time than we realize. When I first did this, I was surprised because I do a lot of video research, and I was surprised that why it took me so long to do video research, because I wasn't actually doing research. I was scrolling social media. I was reading a lot of news articles because I'd look something up and then it would take me somewhere else. And only by tracking my time did I realize, oh no, Tracy, you're not spending that much time on research. So I cut it out and I have more time. So I want that for you. So now you've done the 10 days and you have all this information. What do you do with it? You're going to sit down and you're going to, first of all, put it into categories: personal, work, screen time, errands, transit, whatever comes up for you. And you're going to start to group it together and see what habits or what are you doing a lot of. Do some activities take more time than they should? Are there some wasted time throughout the day? So we're asking ourselves now, this is how we spend our time. Are we okay with this? So are you curious? Do you think how you think you spend your time is really how you spend your time? I was blown away of what I thought I spent my time and how I actually spent my time. So if you do this exercise, please write it in the comment and let me know if you were spot on or if you're a little surprised how you spend your time. It's okay, because now we're going to look at how to make that time better. And we're going to ask ourselves some key questions, because they'll show us where we need to cut back and where we need to invest more time. So here are the key questions. Number 1, what's something you do all of the time that you want to do less of? Number 2, what's something you want to do more of? Number 3, what's something you want to quit altogether? And number 4, what's something you're not doing now that you want to do. When you answer those questions, you will reveal what you truly value, and it helps you make time for the stuff that really matters to you. We can leave it there. You've made time to help grow your channel, but I do want to talk about your to-do list. I just want you to remember that there's to-do lists or there's leverage actions. Now, at the beginning, I talked about some things you could do right away to save yourself time growing your YouTube channel. And what you could do is you could look at all of those and you could go, they're to-dos. I need to film a video. I need to come up with a video idea. I need to film a video. I need to edit the video. I need to create a thumbnail. And you can take those to-dos and switch them over to leverage actions, because usually to-dos are reactive. I have to do this video today. I have to edit it tomorrow. Or we can create leverage actions where we've already planned out things. I've sat down and brainstormed video ideas. I have 10 of them. I'm filming 3 of them. I'm editing 3 of them. I've created templates for my description, so now I just have to alter some of it. I've created templates for my thumbnails, and now I just have to alter certain areas of it. I've cut down a ton of time. These are all leverage actions that take time at the beginning, but totally reduce the amount of time you have to spend later on. Like, you're talking to your future self and your future self goes, oh my goodness, wow, this is awesome. I don't have to do this. Music. I've researched and I have a ton of music. I didn't just research for music for one video. I researched it and said, this is my vault of 5, 10, 20 music tracks that I want to use for my videos. And finally, I just want to say, treat your time like money. There's time assets and there's time liabilities. Your time assets bring value over time, like creating content that people will watch. But the time liabilities, they eat up your time, they drain your energy, and they don't really give you anything in return. Before you dive into something, ask yourself, is this a time asset or a time liability? Is this really worth my time? For me, I used to make tiny little edits throughout my video that absolutely made no impact on the video. You would not have even seen them. But for me, I felt because I was working on my video, I was being productive, and it was literally a waste of time. So please don't do that. So just look at your to-do list and tell me, are these tasks that feel productive but don't help your channel grow? Are they assets providing long-term value, or liabilities just repetitive and draining? Transition these tasks into leverage actions by automating or streamlining them. That's going to save you time. Tasks that you have to set up now might take more time and energy, but they'll continue to benefit you. The last thing I want to say is make sure you check in, because life changes, habits start to creep back in. And so check in every 6 months with a time audit. See if you're doing what you said you would be doing with your time. The goal is to stay in control, keep finding time you didn't know you had, and use it to move closer to your goals. So there you have it. That's how you make more time. And now that you have more time, you can create more content. But sometimes our little perfectionists in ourselves won't allow us to create the content and publish it. So you have that issue. Make sure you check out my next video about perfectionism. And thanks so much for watching. And here's to growing your channel.